Now, the Mother City has a new star on the rise, Latheem Gabriel, a multidisciplinary artist and activist who's preparing for the release of his very first CD of original compositions today, so keep an eye out for his name. But first, here he is sharing his music, performing Seed of Unease.
What's the matter, little boy? Why are you crying? Are you lost, beautiful boy? You know you remind me of when I was just a 3-year-old boy. Somebody let go of me. Where's your daddy? The bottom of a bottle. Where's your mommy? She's stuck in denial. Are they coming back for you, or do they believe that you're fine? Well, I don't know, and I don't care. I've been calling, but they don't hear. Please don't go, take my hand, lead me home, my friend. Mister, will you stay? Will you keep me company? Yes, walk with me. Wherever this road may lead, a sweet child lying to sleep, meek and mild, they're all gonna leave. Are they coming back for me, or do they believe fine? Well, I don't know, and I don't care. I've been calling, but they don't hear. Many years ago, were the seeds of unease sown, and in the stillness, here in the moisture, are the voices of unease known. Are they coming back for us, or do they believe that we're okay? Oh no, 'cause I know I don't know, and I don't care. I've been calling, but they don't hear. Please don't go, take my hand, lead me home, my friend.
Latheem Gabriel on your Feel Good Breakfast show. That was Seed of Unease. Let us know what you thought about that performance and song. We'll hear more from him a little bit later on. Right now, time for the news.